Hi everyone, my name is Anand Ramaswamy. I am an alumni of KJ Somaiya Institute of Management. I work in ICICI Bank. I am the Assistant General Manager and Head of Projects for one of the business verticals of ICICI Bank. Everybody who's passed out of a B school, irrespective of the number of years, irrespective of the number of jobs that they've changed, or irrespective of the distance that they are, it could be abroad, it could be anywhere, they always attempt to want to be in touch with the campus. And there is this team which is expected and who do a lot of good work in building this connect between the alumni and the alma mater. That is the alumni committee. Imprints, which is the magazine, which is the window to the entire organization. It explains what Somaiya does and we read it with a lot of relish. And I know many instances where we share those imprints with our own batchmates and relive our own days. And not to mention nostalgia that happens every year around the September-October period. That's an absolutely sought after occasion for all of us to come back to campus and connect up with old times. I remember about 2 years back, the alumni team did a fantastic job of connecting with a lot of us and ensuring we come in here at the campus. And about 12 or 14 of us, I'm talking about the year 1997 pass outs, in the year 2009, some 12 or 14 of us came in here, and it was such an opportunity to bond up with our old buddies again that I really thank the alumni committee for the work they have done. All of you should attempt to form in one of these committees, because in these 2 years that you spend at campus, it's a great opportunity to show your leadership skills, show your ability to network, show your ability to handle logistics, and it makes you far better as a person. So as an ALCOM member, that's how they call it, that's why I'm told you all are called, the alumni committee is a significant portal or significant opportunity where you can connect up with the industry. And I would absolutely think that each of you should attempt to join this committee, play your part in making Somaiya a far better academic organization, and ensure that the bridge or the connect between the alma mater and the alumni is further strengthened.